Literally, emergency ambulance. Leo, no!
Floor.
Hiya! Are you gonna be in my vlog? I'm a subscriber. Oh god, why is it every time I film my background is such a mess? Sorry. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little Halloween sesh vlog. I'm actually going to Leo Mandela Gully Guy Leo's Halloween party. Not by invite. I wish, Leo, if you're watching this, please let me in for free next time, thank you. I'm joking. I bought tickets with my friends because he actually lived near to where I live, and we're gonna go to Leo Mandela's Halloween party. I literally can't, it's so funny. So yeah, I'm not looking very scary right now. Well, scary in the sense that these dark circles are not playing. But I'm going over to my friend Millie's house to get ready, and I'm just gonna take you on the night with me. You guys are always curious as to what I get up to on like a night out. Here you go, you'll probably be disappointed. I just packed up all my stuff in a frickin', yep, I'm that girl who takes a suitcase around to her friend's house. But I'm actually super excited. I think it'll be a really fun night, and I haven't been like out to a party in ages. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and peace out, homies. Enjoy the vlog. So it's a bit of a rush. Hi everyone. Nicola Wellington. Okay. Someone's emailing me. It's a bit of a rush, so I can't whip my camera out, but we're on our way. No. This is Leo. This is Lily. This is James. And we're going for a UAL art home vibe, and Millie's just copied my outfit, but that's okay. I know. No, Millie's a police woman.
Oh, and so bad.
We're 30 minutes late, and they start denying entries soon, so...
When?
Wait, what time is it now?
10 o'clock. Peace and love.
Bitches. Haven't got their ticket yet?
Well, you've got mine, haven't you?
I got my papers.
Literally me making an entrance anywhere, huh?
Yo, let's go.
Ain't no something's coming. Jumping. And them boys up to something. And jumping, what was you expecting? When I land, walk it like I talk it. Yeah. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Big talk, son.
You trying to rhythm, don't fuck with me if you don't fuck with it. You know me and my gang got always what? Jesus! Everybody jump! Yo, we just started, fam. We run away,
So, I met some viewers at a party!
Someone's mom.
It's loud, but I think you can do a little bit louder. That was better. Let's drop some filthy ones. Rewind.
I'm more like a Kardashian, got no baby. I'm more like a David Goliath running.
As per usual, got an itchy nose.
can see in the crowd, I can't even make anyone out. Rappers over there. Everybody get your... Get inside. Bring this up the road.
Shot. Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always, Katie. Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you. Oh my God!
Currently, emergency ambulance. As much as this is like a fun, like yeah, come out with me vlog, like this is the prime reason. Like I don't mess with that sort of stuff. Guy is like inside.
He's on the floor.
Hiya! Like, do you want to be in my vlog?
I'm a subscriber.
Hey! Hiya!
I actually really like you. And I started watching you on YouTube before I realised you were from like near me.
Ah, sounds! Yeah.
I just got...
We're just updating on the situation, just talking about how sad it is.
Your makeup is sick. Like,
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm trying to compose myself. I love your vlogs.
Thank you, babe. Thank
I know.
you.
You've got a good YouTube.
Thank you,
I
babe.
watched your YouTube channel before I realised that you were from around.
Oh, that's crazy.
I liked your YouTube videos for so long, and then you were in one video. You're like, I'm going to college in.
Yeah.
That's
no,
so
that
weird.
makes sense.
I literally thought that you were from like London or something.
No.
And
God, I
you're so
wish.
pretty.
I wish. Thank you.
Okay, well you're sick.
Have a fabulous night. Thank you. So anyway, as I was saying beforehand, there's a guy inside. He's not in a very good way. So the party's been like shut down early. It's like 1 AM. It was supposed to be shut down at 4. But then police said they were going to shut it down by 2. So it's been shut down really early, which is like horrific. I hope he's okay. Like I don't really know. I don't know the guy.
Okay. I saw him walk past.
No, he's still inside. He's on the floor.
Or someone walked past as well.
But if anything, like if you're watching this, just please remember that you can have a good time without drugs. You can have a good time without alcohol. You can have a good time just being around good company, nice people, and
good food.
yeah, like it feels weird. It's like a taboo subject because it's like I supposedly should ignore that it even happens, but like it's happened. So yeah, there's not much more I can say. But I love you. Please be safe and look after yourselves. Mwah.
What? What?
It's just upsetting.
What's upsetting?
What were we talking about?
In fact, my glasses broke.
Oh, yeah, you broke them.
So basically, there's a tragic loss in the family tonight.
R.I.P.
You were a fun time whilst you lasted, which wasn't very long. Oh my god, they're absolutely, totally destroyed. So,
No, it's just...
no, they're fully broken,
definitely
James.
Put those two together. Get the screws
Well,
and that.
there are 2 screws missing. This is very sad, and write RIP in the comments if you're sad too. Very.
Very upsetting.
So it's currently like 2:12 AM. We're on our way home.
This is just upsetting.
I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. I've got to get some good sleep because I've got a driving lesson tomorrow morning. But I'm feeling very sober, as you can tell.
Shrek tonight.
Yeah, we might watch some Shrek tonight. Although I'll probably fall asleep. I've got to get these contacts out of my eyes because they're a bit itchy. Got a really itchy nose. And Leo Mandela totally pied me because he told me he was too excited, if you get what I mean, to take a photo, well, to be in my vlog. So I got pied by Leo Mandela. Story time.
I got a photo with him.
And James got a photo with him, but I got nothing. So
God, I look horrific, not gonna lie.